Hey there, Billy, what are you doing?
Hating my life.
Oh, well, I know what would cheer you up.
Really?
For serious, Jimmy.
Billy.
Whatever. Have you ever wanted to become the next YouTube sensation?
Only always?
Hey, Johnny. Freddie. Wake up! Anyways, where was I? Oh, that's right. You can!
I can?
Haha! That's right, Bobby. Just pay attention and you'll learn everything you need to become the next over-the-computer musical legend.
Can't wait!
We reserve all rights to success abound in non-competition additional contract at local print offices of God None Us Incorporated, 365 Gitchison Avenue, Antivaria, Madagascar. Office hours 3 a.m. Monday, Friday.
Hey guys, this is Big Blue 30. I'm here to do a recording tutorial and Shure SM57 setup here, right in front of one of the speaker cones. From there, I have this going into an M-Audio USB interface. It's going in the back, USB cable going right into the computer. There are other ways of doing it. You could plug your guitar right into the USB interface, but if you don't even want to get that, what I used to do is I used to just have like a little, I don't even know what to call this, but I would put it straight into my input for my computer, if you have one of those. If you don't, you would need to get an USB interface, but yeah, this is really handy if you do. What you would do is you'd put the other end right into your auxiliary input. If you don't have one that fits like that, all you need to do is get a 1/4-inch adapter and stick it right on to the end of that. I'm just using two programs, GarageBand and iMovie, which comes standard on any iLife package for Mac. If you are using Windows, you should have Movie Maker on there already. And if you need a editing software of some sort, you should check out Audacity because it's free. There's a link in the sidebar to that. So the first thing you need to know is how to record your audio. Using GarageBand, what you're going to do is you're going to start a new track, or a new project, sorry. Let's just call it tutorial. Go to your media. This is where you want to find your backing track. You highlight iTunes and it'll show all your music. Use Demon Hunter Collapsing. And you're just going to drag that right into the work area. Also, what you need to do is go to your MIDI. If you're using USB, you need to check your audio input. It should say whatever your interface is called. If not, if you're using the built-in input on the side, use built-in input. For your output, just use your regular built-in output. Okay, let's see. And there you have it, you can hear it. I don't use the metronome just because it's too much trouble to try to find out your tempo. I do use a count in though, just to give you a quick second before you record. Then for your guitar, you're going to want to select new track, real instrument. For your input source, I'm using mono, so use mono 1. I use my recording level all the way up because I have it turned down a little bit on the interface. And then you can go over here if you want to do some compression. I usually use a little bit of EQ tweaking as well. Okay, so when you have your backing track ready and your guitar track all set up, you're going to be ready and go ahead and do a sound check for recording. First thing you want to check is your microphone's in the right place, your guitar's in tune with the backing track, and then you want to test the audio. Turn your amp up a good bit. You're going to go into GarageBand and just hit record. All you need is a little snippet of it. Yeah, so it needs to be, we could turn it up a little more on the amp. Now we'll try it a second time. We'll check it again. Okay, that's much better. Okay, so when you have your sound check done, you can hear the backing track and your guitar at the same time. You gotta get your camcorder and you're just set it up. So I'm gonna hit record on this. And then I'm going to hit record on the computer as well. That's how that turns out. Okay, so now you've got your audio recorded, your video recorded. You're just going to import your video, whether you're doing it by camcorder or your webcam. And then you're going to export your track into an MP3. So what you'll do, you go here. I'm just going to cut it off here just to save time. You're going to check your levels. Make sure that you can hear your guitar clearly over the backing track. Which you can hear a good amount of the backing track, but make sure that people hear that you're playing is more important than just the actual song. They know the song. You hit send song to iTunes. While it's doing that, we will go ahead and set up for our video. Just going to, oops. Yes, there it is. See, it comes up. We're just going to put it into import mode. There it goes, connect to the computer. Okay, what I was saying, what you should see in just a second is that the computer will recognize the camera. There it is, looking for video cameras and devices. And here it comes. These are things that we recorded. Then I'm going to hit record on the computer as well. Okay, so that's the one we want. Import. And this is easily the most time-consuming part of the whole process, is importing, exporting the video. So while you're doing that, you can go do something else, watch some TV, do some laundry, and we'll be back. Okay, we are back, and as you can see, it has imported our clip. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to come over here, hit OK. We're done with that. New project, we'll title it Collapsing Demon Hunter. And then of course my tag, Big with 30. So what we'll do here, we will just drag our video clip up into the new project. Disable the audio, because we don't want to hear the audio coming from the webcam. We just want to hear what we recorded in GarageBand. You're going to go over to your music, and you're going to search. We titled it Tutorial, so that's what we'll search for, because that's what it's going to export it. Yep, Tutorial, Artist Matt Loomis, and we're just going to drag it over here. We're going to look for is exactly when I start playing that the track will start. Okay, that's good. Then we're just going to trim the excess. Go up here, Edit, Split Clip, and then just delete the unused section, and we'll do the same thing for the front. So now what you basically have is your video synced with your audio. There we go. Now what you can do, you can do a little editing. You can mess with the color. What I've been doing lately, I started putting titles, although I forgot on the last one. Let's just see here. See, that's cool. When you're done with that, come up here. You can post it directly to YouTube, actually for my movie, which is very cool. It has not been working lately though, so I've been exporting the movie, and since it's in HD, we're going to export it in HD. But actually, that's pretty much the whole process. That's everything you need to know. So when you just export it to your desktop, just log into YouTube, hit upload, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.